So how do you add the Google Drive to the iPhone files, right? So this is how you can do this. Let's get started. If you're new to Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so at first you need to have the Google Drive application installed and then download it on your iPhone, right? So you just go to your app store as usual and you just download the Google Drive. You of course open it up, sign in with your account, and you can access it that way. But once you have it installed, you can also go to the Files application of your device, which is useful as well, right? And in there, tap on the three dots in the Browse section. So just go to the Browse, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, go to Edit, and make sure you enable the Google Drive, right? So you need to toggle it on and just ensure that it shows up in the list. You can reorganize it. And essentially, you'll be able to access your Google Drive from within the Files application. That's very useful because you get to copy and paste files, even entire folders in between your iCloud storage, your local storage. You can see Drive, Dropbox, and all of these other services. So it's all integrated into one place, which makes it very convenient, right? So as I said, even Dropbox or more third-party solutions are available and can be synced in here, so it can all be controlled from within the Files app, which I find to be very useful. So let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up on the video if you just did get it to run properly on your device. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.